Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna introduce you the first program from Hayder. This program is called Mortgage Calculator. This for mortgages. Let's start. So now you have the username and password to the program. And when you buy the program, you're gonna get the username and password. And let's say this the password is fake password and it's cheap. You cannot pass this step unless you enter the right user and password, and then you close. You see that. So now I can start again, and I'll put you the username and password, and yes, see this is the message box that said welcome to mortgage calculator for my ideal. This does mean you enter the username and the right user and password. This is the main page for the programs. This program is worked for states New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire. It's gonna be you can be working at if you are from another state, but you should limit any additional expenses because it's gonna be black number and it's not right. And you see here this is for the bank only, and this for the bank and plus additional expenses. So you should eliminate this and just depend on this number and then add your additional expenses manually and see how much you're gonna pay per month. Let's say this start this let's say the first name is Mike and the last name, let's see, Sorina. Be sure you enter the capital letters and the small letter because it's going to be very sensitive. If you are entering like capital letter and then you try to search in small letter, is not going to be work. So now this is the first step, and the second step, let's see, search. You can see we have this name in code number 47 and 48 417 Park Avenue 750. So for the code number, you don't need to enter the code number because it's going to be calculated automatically. Like here, if this is the last code number, you're going to calculate like 49 the code number after this. Here, if you need to see the customers table, like you entered my customer and just go to the customers table, you see this is the customer table. This is all the customers you entered before, and this is the code number you gave them, and this is the date you gave them this code number, the price and the address for the code number, and the zip code, additional fee, start loan, and the durations, PR points. This gives you like nice information for every customer you give them a code. This bag you can print to view and print from here, and this back to files program. So as I said, you don't need to enter the code number, and this say the price they say is million, and the address they say it's 15 Park Avenue, and the zip code let's say 1000001, and the additional fees let's say 10,000. On the down payment, you have two options to enter the down payments, either percentage or dollars. I prefer just to enter by the dollars, but as you like. What you need to do, you can do it by percentage or by dollars. For the duration per month, you see 360 months, and the APR percentage, it's let's say the market now is 4%. The start loan, let's say, is going to be in October 2015, and the points proposed to pay for all the points is, let's say the maximum is 5 points. Let's say you can pay like 4 points. As usual, it's 1% from the total mortgage, which is you can see it's here after you submit this information. The tax, you have state sales tax, which is not applicable for the home, it's not required, and you have tax exempt, that's for the home, and the special sales tax. By the way, if you need to buy the car, you can enter the state sales tax, and it's going to be calculated according to the zip code you entered. And if you are from different state, you can enter the special sales tax, and you enter your state's tax. If you are not New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire, number of years proposed to live. This I put this items because if you like pay 4 points and you need to back your money within like 12 years, and you live just 10 years here, so you're gonna do some money. So it's not worth to pay 4 points. Maybe you pay like 3 points or 2 points. It's good to park your money like in 7 years, and then you can the monthly payment is going to be less from if you don't pay points. The annual maintenance is 1% is usually you do it, but if your home is too old, you can put like 1.5% or 2%. This the whole information you need to get the whole mortgage information. So let's say submit, and let's see. Okay, so now it's the date or and the general information. General information that's with the tax is 0 because you say tax exempt, and the state borrow got your zip code, and the down payments is 10%. So it's calculated automatically, and the total loan include tax is 19. This okay, and this is the comparison between if you get the mortgage without points or if you get with points. This is the monthly rate for the bank only, and you see it's bold now, and the total interest you will pay and the total payment. The PMI situation is required here because you paid the down payment for you is less than 20%, so you need to pay private mortgage insurance, and this private mortgage insurance is going to be removed from your monthly payment after you reach 20% of the principal payments. This is the PMI percentage that's required, and this per year, this per month for PMI payments, and the total PMI payments. The PMI number of the payments is 68 by 59. You see this is the difference because you paid points here, so the PMI payment is gonna be less. That makes you save you some money. The number of points you will pay and the total points cost is 36,400, and the month to recover points is 72 months, so it's less than 10 years. So that's that's recommended for you, and is not recommended. Here you see the if you click here, you click for amortization schedules. This is nice table that give you the whole information from the start date and what you're gonna pay every month, the principal payment and the interest and the total interest, the balance, the PMI. That is the name of the customer, and you can see this at the end. You have the total PMI, the interest amount, the loan amount, and the total paid. This nice table, and you can help you a lot. And this for this without point, and this for with points. You can back to here, and this the additional expenses. The maintenance you entered 1%, so it's 10,000 a year, 833 months a month. Annual property tax is 071. That's according to the zip code, and it has been 7,100 a year, 591. And the average insurance is 622. This may be changed according to your zip code, and according to the company you need to make it sure for your property. So you can just informations and just a budget for the insurance. This is the summary. So this without points, for this for the bank only plus PMI you can pay 68 until 68. You pay 4,640, and then you will pay 4,344 because the PMI is gonna be removed from your monthly payment. This is the bank plus additional expenses. That's the maintenance of your annual property tax and average insurance. If you are, as I said before, if you are from different state, you don't you will just email this and depend on this numbers, and you can then add the maintenance and property average insurance manually. this with points, and you can see what's the difference between the payment. Here is 4,344, this 3,836, so it's big difference and it's nice number. So that's everything. By the way, if you need to contact us, you can contact us. This is our informations, and if you need to see the this video again, you can just click there and click on this link. That's will transfer you to our page and this video. If you need to just buy a car, not like a mortgage, so let's see, let's enter the information about this. Let's say the car is gonna be cost you 10,000, and your zip code is required. Let's see, it's 11209. You don't need to enter the address, but if you want to enter your address, it's okay. And the additional fee, like for registration and titles and everything, this is 600. The down payment, you can pay like 2,000 for this car, and you need the car for 6 years and 2 months, and they pay a percentage. Let's say 5%. And let's say this car for this just car, and there's no points for this, and the start bonus is the same. This is required state sales tax, and let's say this is not required, but let's put just for the black numbers, and there's no maintenance for the car, by the way. Sure. So let's say this submit. Okay. You can see this is the information for the car. You can pay $152.80. Just exclude this because this PMI is just for the home, so it's not required. So you can just depend on these numbers for the car, $152, and just this number is $152. There's no points, so it's the same amount. Okay, and now if you need to search for your customers, let's say we have customers, his name is Mike, and see how much you give him the code. So these are all the codes for the Mike you entered before, and you just, when you get the information from it, just click and you see all the information you gave Mike before, all the codes, the cost number 20, it's here. Now if you need to search by code number, let's say it's 25, and enter, you see this is the code number 25. This is the whole information for this code number, and tax 0, everything is done the code number. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in other videos.